Hi Momenters, thanks for watching another Moments by Boothe video. If you're new to the channel, I'm Akeem Boothe, real estate YouTuber and realtor, and this is your one-stop shop for all things Jamaican real estate. Today, I'm in the lush and beautiful Duncan Trelawney area to showcase 40 sea view lots that are available for sale at a starting price of just 99,000 USD. But enough of the chattings, me know you're ready for the video. Are you ready? Run me intro. Alright, so this is the main entrance. As you can see, it's all concrete off. And that road down there leads to the main road that transitions individuals from Ocho Rios to Montego Bay and vice versa. So we're about to cross the road when it's safe to do so. So that's the road down there I was telling you about. As I say, all the space is concrete, right? So you have a better look of how the entrance to what the gated community will be like is like. And of course, I'm here with my company, my agency, Jamaica Sotheby's. And then when we drive down that side, I'm gonna show you the actual main gate and entrance. So it's a long pathway up to the actual main gate, which gives a presidential feel, and then you have bamboo lining the driveway as well. So it's just a really nice aesthetic, and of course lush greenery to the left and right along with the bamboo. It just gives a really nice aesthetic leading up to the main gate. So I'm going to transition to the main gate right now because it's a far walk up, but again it really gives that presidential feel, like with a concrete driveway and all of that. And you see, get a Holland bamboo vibe. Yeah, so this is what you'll be looking at leading up to your driveway, in and out every day. It's a really nice aesthetic. And just for good measure, let me give you the reverse view. So that's the reverse. This is beautiful. So this right here is the main entrance. Beautiful as well. It widens, of course, so you have two gates for entrance and one gate for exit. And of course you have the guardhouse that is already built in. So once each individual buys their respective lots and the houses are built, the housing agency is built out, then all of that will be facilitated in terms of getting the security guard on the front and automating the gate and so on and so forth. So this is what it looks like. And then again, for good measure, I give it a reverse view. So that's the reverse. Yeah. So we're going to go up this hill now. And once we get up this slight slope, so it's not like a very large slope, but once we get up this slight slope, then we'll be right where the lots start. And then I'll give you some aerial views of all the lots, and you can see which one you like, and give me a call at 819-9918 or send me an email at akeem@sotheby'srealty.com.jm and put in your offers for your respective lots. All right, so let's go up the hill and start looking at the lots. So a few lots were actually already sold, not from the 40, but from some pre-existing lots, and the buildings are being put up. You also have a few down that side that are under construction. I actually met one of the property owners the last time I came here, and she's absolutely loving her space because look at the lush greenery plus the contrast with nothing but blue Caribbean Sea for miles. Just imagine living up here and experiencing that day by day. An absolute beauty. So each of the 40 lots that my colleagues and I are selling, they start at a 1/4 acre. So of course they're residential lots and they've been here for a while. So you know you will have to clear the land before you do your building, but that's pretty minor, to be completely honest with you, because these lots are as level as it come. You don't need more than this. Once it's cleared, you can lay your foundation and do your building, as long as you have a competent team that you're going to put to work on doing this project for you. And it stretches all the way up that side, but you'll see all that from the drone shots that I'm doing, and stretches back all the way down that side. That's it for my showing of these residential lots in Duncan's Trelawney. I hope you guys appreciated this video. Leave a like down below if you actually like this video, and comment down below and let me know if you think these lots are worth it at a starting price of 99,000 USD. But don't forget that the goal is to live life on your own terms, and that is what I'm out here doing each and every time I make one of these videos for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. AB signing out.